Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, May the 19th. I've got 7:53, 61 degrees. Gonna go into downtown here and see if they're tearing on the buildings anymore. I figured I'd start with checking the Swede Club this morning. See if they're doing any more on it. I doubt it. No, they're not doing any more here yet. Well, they need to. That's the bottom line. I figured I would stop and catch this building on my way up. The roof's caved in. The windows are out. Probably not going to be long for here. They'll end up tearing it down soon. Okay. Am I allowed to go left here? I think so. I might as well leave my camera on. Come on. I'm the one going slow, so I'm trying to let other people go ahead of me. Yeah. I hear a train. Was that, if I remember, a funeral home at one time? And is it still? I don't know if I can go down this street. Because I don't know, I'm just going to go to the next one. And we'll see if they're tearing on 5th Avenue today. I got a loose muffler clamp. You can hear it tinging under my car every bump I hit. Well, it is July 8:06 in the morning. Just empty McKeesport. Maybe the title should be Where Town Used to Be. Nobody. It's the main drag, 5th Avenue. No one. Looks like the front of the building's still there. Yeah, there's somebody doing something. Yeah. I really wasn't sure where to park here out the way. They're talking about wanting to bring the front of that building down today. Well, that's what they were standing there talking about. So I moved over here. I'd really like to catch the building as they're bringing it down. With any luck. They're revving something up now. Good morning. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Are they bringing the street side of it down?
Yep.
That's what I was hoping to catch.
He's gonna be digging up a floor a little bit and then fold.
That's what I was hoping to catch. As I said, I try not to catch all the people.
Yeah.
Hey, you can't close the road down, bud. He ain't rented yet.
And see, I wish I could film new things being built in my town.
Yeah. I guess they're gonna plant grass here and stuff, so it'll make a pretty little spot for people. Maybe they can walk their dogs here and stuff.
I've lived here all my life. I was born in Keysport Hospital. To be honest, I'd rather see new things come in, businesses.
Yeah, I get that.
I don't think it's gonna happen.
Hopefully they clean it up enough and people start coming in.
What? Hey, hold up. Yeah, come on.
Your other guy there was right. They should have closed the street down.
They weren't allowed, I guess.
Why?
I don't know.
That doesn't make any sense to me.
I know, but they're gonna, whenever things happen, they're gonna hold traffic because it's a safety thing, you know?
I agree. They
You
should
don't
have.
anticipate things happening, but that's when things happen, so.
I'm trying to remember. That's not Shaw. Shaw parallels 5th. The next street down there.
Yeah.
They could have put a barricade there and said construction or whatever they wanted to put on the
Yeah.
sign. Now, and thanks for talking to me.
Hey, hold up. Come school bus. All right, man, it's good.
I know I have probably said it a dozen times. I need to bring a folding chair.
Yeah.
I got very bad legs. One foot's amputated.
Really?
Yeah. That's why when I film a lot of this, I like to go somewhere where I can stay sat in my car.
Up on the school bus.
No, let me get out of your way, ma'am. You go ahead.
Go ahead.
Little dust. There we go. I hope I caught it.
Hold up.
That was satisfying.
Yes.
I was worth being late for work.
I've been filming it all week long.
Have you? I go and take pictures, but I saw them walking. I thought, this is coming down this morning.
I put this all up on YouTube.
Oh, do you?
My name is Walter Garner. There is about 11 Walter Garners out there. Look
Okay.
for this building the last few days,
Okay.
and that'll be me.
On what YouTube?
YouTube.
Walter
It's just
Garner.
under the name Walter Garner.
Oh, I'm not even late yet. Wait, I'm gonna write that down. Where am I gonna put that up?
That was a good one.
Yeah, that was worth it. That was worth it. Walter Gardner, G-A-R-D-E-N-E-R.
No D. Garner. Yes.
Sweet.
I searched my name one day and there was 11 other Walter
And
Garners.
you were like, whoa.
So, at least for this, what I told her the other day here, look for this building in the
Yeah.
most recent videos and you find me.
Find you.
Yeah, and a lot of mine are,
I'll put my 11-year-old on a mission. They find everything.
well, a lot of what I like to film is trains.
Oh, okay.
And I wish I would have been old enough to film the trains when they crossed Fifth Avenue here.
Yep.
I was 8 years old. Didn't do any filming of that then. I actually got to walk through Midtown Plaza a week ago and film inside there.
Did you?
It's a mess.
It's a mess. I've heard that. All right, I gotta get down to work. Oh, Ernie, what are you doing on that side of the fence?
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I don't know. I think he's friends with that guy.
He works for. I work for the city, and he's our ticket guy.
What do you do for you?
Just city hall, employees only.
Okay.
Well, there's the water spray.
Then it's all of this. If I'm not busy, I can tell you. Like, the straight across is right there down the long hallway.
It is double way in the back.
Yes.
I remember it now. Okay, yes, I remember it.
And then I'm not there to say I'm doing a water test. I'm just saying if I'm not sitting here saying I'm doing a water test, it's like, oh, okay.
Okay. Thank
Have a
you
good
so
one.
much. You too.
I'll try to catch of it what I can here.
You gotta wait for the floor to that whole wall, wait, almost fell out. No. It's color.
See, the four buildings over there that face Lyle, there's windows on the back of them like that might have been an alley at one time. Or maybe, since they tell me previously it was a church, maybe it was a courtyard. I don't know. If any of you know, please tell me. I'm moving over. They're starting to move it again. Well, while I'm here, what's in here now? I got a fence on it. Looks like something's in here. All Things Outlet is open. Furniture, appliances. I think that's wonderful. This is right next to the beer barrel. I'm the one who keeps saying I'd love to see business come back.